What is one thing that keeps us from accomplishing our biggest goals? In order to sustain business for the long term, we have to develop better habits.
My biggest takeaway from G-Circle Weekend this weekend is the power of networking and how we can actually put together a powerful network by just reaching out, shaking hands and kissing babies.
But if you're not practicing and training, you won't know how to do anything.
People talked about things from branding, data, talking about networking.
I would recommend the G-Circle to any entrepreneur who is looking for community, who is looking for growth, and who is looking for resources that are already within a community. So we have it all, and I love the G-Circle.